That's a vine?
Yeah, it's pretty. It's called, what is that called? Sweet potato vine? No.
No.
It's something.
Hyacinth bean.
Hyacinth.
And I brought the beans. Okay. Now, son, okay.
If you want to do that one, that's fine.
And I brought another one. I brought 3. Okay, let her use that one. I thought you might like this one.
Yes. It's gonna be hidden by the plants, greeneries. So I'm gonna show you each step, and then we could do.
Okay.
So which color do you guys want? You want this one? You guys,
Yellow.
yeah.
Oh, the yellow's pretty.
Here, undo that.
You can tell these are mine. That's good. I just put a shell.
So
Son doesn't let her do
here, you
that.
take this.
Cutting the.
This is what you want. So strip all the leaves off. It's easier to, if you want to do one by one, I just do
I
it.
don't know knife or scissors.
Strip all of the leaves?
Yep.
Yes,
Really?
except, so you're gonna keep this one right there. So everything else, just strip the leaves.